Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a waiting lobby in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we have to open up Roblox Studios, then head into my game section. From here, we will head into the game that you want to add a waiting lobby into. So I'll head into my test game. Now let the game load. Just wait for the game to load properly, and after the game loads, head to the toolbox section. From here, under models tab, search for waiting lobby, then hit enter. Now you will find a lot of waiting lobby models. Just select any one of them. I'll select this one, click on OK. So you can bring this lobby anywhere on the map, and if you go to the workspace section and open the lobby, you'll see that there are a lot of options regarding this lobby. You can add your own VIP door, you can add extra room, you can add models that represent NPCs, you can add different shops and VIP rooms. So normally when you load the game, you will always load into this waiting lobby. You can configure this lobby according to your needs. Now if I click on the play button, I will spawn inside the lobby, and here I will wait until getting further instruction on which games to play or where to move out. You have to configure all those by yourselves. So this is how you can add a waiting lobby in your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.